Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word often used in action movies, sports, and physics. Ricochet. It might look confusing, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is ricochet. Let's break it down. First, we have Rick, which sounds like Rick, as in the name Rick. Next is a short and relaxed sound, like the A in sofa. Finally, we have shay, which rhymes with day. Now, let's put it all together. Ricochet. Try repeating after me, ricochet. Now a little faster, ricochet. And at full speed, ricochet. Keep practicing and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Ricochet refers to when an object, like a bullet or a ball, bounces off a surface instead of stopping. For example, in a game of pool, the ball might ricochet off the table's edge. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce ricochet and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.